International Crimes Tribunal has taken cognizance of charges against 30 individuals, including former PM Sheikh Hasina and both former and current officials of RAB, for alleged enforced disappearances and act of torture at its TFI cell. Arrest warrants have been issued against them. Following the fall of Awami League government on August 5, the victims of enforced disappearances and torture during Sheikh Hasina's tenure submitted complaints to the tribunal accusing RAB for torturing in its TFI cell. In response, the tribunal's investigation agency launched a formal inquiry, which concluded on Wednesday. The prosecution stated that the Sheikh Hasina has been named as a principal accused who have the order. Furthermore, the investigation found evidence in implicating both former and serving RAB officials in cases of enforced disappearance and torture related to this case.